A person with just intellect, who doesn't have subconscious and unconscious, he can become enlightened just by intellectual clarity. The person who has got subconscious but not unconscious means who has got suppressed desires and anger but who doesn't have much samskaras, big habits. This kind of person who are in subconscious level, they will become enlightened with a little bit of emotional experience. Just intellectual clarity and little bit of devotion is more than enough for them to become enlightened. People who have unconscious, who got samskaras, who got habits, understand that word, H-A-B-I-T. If you remove H, a bit will be there. When you remove A, bit will be there. When you remove B, it will be there. Only when you remove I, it will die. When you understand, if you have samskaras, if you have unconscious, you need something more than intellectual clarity and emotional experience. You need something called enlightenment, means the being level experience, solid satori, samadhi. Only that leads to ultimate enlightenment. For a normal child, it doesn't have subconscious and unconscious. Just intellectual understanding is enough. 7 years, if somebody continuously repeats Tattvamasi, 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 automatically he became enlightened. All the kids, the moment they are 7, they say, bye, father, we became enlightened. We are going to our place. Because wise people can't live in city. Now you know the truth. Wise people can't live in city. So naturally wise people, where they have to live? Forest. They go in search of their place. They go in search of their place. People who are too weak, only they can live in palaces. Palaces are built for too weak people. People who are totally weak, people who are filled with fear, only they need big palaces. People who are enlightened, they don't need anything. They can live wherever they want. Paramahamsa means man who eats where he wants to stretch his hand. Man who can sleep where he stretches his leg. When he stretches his hand, he eats. When he stretches his leg, he sleeps. That's all. So a king is a king only when he has got kingdom. All these kids, they started moving towards the forest. Now the king is not able to understand. How can just the word Tattvamasi make people enlightened and can give such wonderful intelligence? We also have a doubt. How just repetition of word Tattvamasi can give enlightenment? Because we listen so many thousands of things, but we are not able to do. We are not able to feel it. We are neither able to feel it nor able to express it. How can just an intellectual understanding, Tattvamasi, can make somebody enlightened? Very difficult to understand because you have subconscious and unconscious. In one mass meditation camp, one person came to me and he was telling about some problem. I said, don't worry, it will become alright. The next person was standing, he was just shocked. Next day, the next person asked me, Swamiji, yesterday I saw you blessing somebody, using the word, don't worry, I will take care. Do you really mean it? Will it become alright? Will the problem solved? I said, surely the problem will be solved for him, but not for you. It will be solved for him, but not for you. When I say I mean, but when you hear, you don't mean. When I say, I mean, but when you hear, you don't mean. When you hear and not able to understand the meaning, understand you have subconscious and unconscious. This is the scale. If you are able to hear and not able to make meaning out of it, be very clear, you have unconscious and subconscious. This is the scale to find out whether you have unconscious and subconscious or not. Child can simply become enlightened just by the intellectual knowledge, intellectual understanding. That is why Shastras do help people. People who are not much complicated, for them Shastras are enough because they make things complicated. That's enough. Your intellect will be shaken. Your intellect will be broken. Shastras are enough. But humanity is not so simple. Humanity is not lived such an innocent way. Humanity is not so integrated today just to become enlightened by intellectual knowledge. It's almost become neurotic. It's almost become neurotic. So, just Shastras are not enough. You are all winners of Buddha. You have conquered Buddha. That is why you are still Buddhas. If you have allowed the Buddha to conquer you, by now you would have become Buddha. Because you conquered Buddhas, still you are Buddhas. So Buddhas, even Buddhas cannot conquer you. You are something far more higher than Buddhas. The early times, the natural pesticides are enough to kill the insects. Later on, you needed some chemical pesticides. Now you need strong doses because the insects start living, eating the pesticides. Same way, if master designs some technique, your mind masters that technique also, and it learns how to survive the masters. Surviving the masters is the worst calamity which can happen to anybody. Surviving the masters is the worst calamity which can happen to anybody. You all have survived the masters. You all have survived the masters. But masters are really masters. They don't give up so easily. They don't give up so easily. The next enlightened man never thinks Buddha himself is a failure. Why should I start working? No. Again, he starts working. Enlightened masters are embodiment of positive energy. They are too optimistic. They are too optimistic. Sometimes little impractical. Sometimes little impractical in the view of pessimist people. Not in reality, in the views of pessimist people. They are ultimate optimists, brutally optimists. That's the word I can use. They are optimists to the extreme. They don't give up. Foolish optimism. You can call from your views. You can use any word. Anyhow, they are optimists, that's all. Whatever word you may use, they are optimists. It goes on, goes on, goes on. So the next level books are created who have conquered Shastras. First Shastras are created. Then lot of people have conquered Shastras also. They survived Shastras. Then came the next level of literature, Stotras. Let us see about that in the next session. Thank you. Enough for now.